Here's how to scan QR code on McDonald's app. First is open your McDonald's app. After opening your McDonald's app, you will be redirected on the main dashboard page wherein you will see there the deals option. Click on the deals option. Now once you're already on the deals option, you will see above is the QR code. Click on scan code to collect points. And now you can go to any kiosk of a McDonald's branch so that they can go ahead and scan the QR code. Remember that you cannot scan it on your own because you need a worker from McDonald's to scan it for you. Now for deals, just select a deals or promo, click on redeem, and then click on scan in restaurant, and afterwards click on redeem once again, and then the QR code will appear. Now what you need to do is scan the QR code at the front counter or kiosk of any McDonald's branch so you can redeem your promo on the McDonald's app. That is fast, easy, and when you need it.